Welcome to the channel. In my system, Python is already installed, but I forgot to add Python to path. Here you can see Python is installed in my system, but because I forgot to add Python to path, if I type Python command here, we should get an error. But here we are getting this window. Even if you add Python to path, sometimes you may get this window when you type Python command in the command prompt. This is because of App Execution Aliases. App Execution Aliases are built-in shortcuts in Windows 11 and Windows 10. They allow you to run apps using simple commands like Python, Python 3, like that. And sometimes Windows redirects these commands to Microsoft Store instead of your installed Python. So how to fix this? Very simple. Close this and go to the Windows search bar and here type App Execution Aliases. Here you can see Manage App Execution Aliases. Click on this. And here we can say App Installer Python.exe. We need to disable this off. Next, App Installer Python 3.exe off. Disable this. And we are done. We can close this now. Now if I open command prompt and type Python, I'll get Python is not recognized as an internal or external command because here Python is not added to path. How to add Python to path manually? We'll discuss about that in the next tutorial. Okay, so that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.